Okay, so I just want to do a quick video of this unboxing. These are my new AirPods. I believe they're generation 3. These are the brand new ones. Yeah, I've had my old ones. I think they're either generation 1 or 2 for a long time now. And I have 2 sets of them, and they're both kind of getting flaky on me after like 5 years or whatever. It's been a long time, so I guess it's time to get a new one. So let's do unboxing. Love the Apple packaging. It's always so simple. Green arrows rip. I mean, how much easier can it be than that? Okay, let's see how these look. I think they're very similar to the old set I have. I think the case is a little bit different. Yeah, so the case is actually just a little bit wider, and it has the lightning port instead of the other one. Oh wow, yeah. So they're also shaped just a little bit differently. So yeah, looking forward to trying these out. Cool. And pairing them with my phone. Looks like they're ready to be paired. So yeah, I'll give you a quick review of these once I get them set up. So I think that's all it comes with, actually. It doesn't come with any charger, unfortunately, or cable. Just the AirPods themselves and the packaging. So that's pretty much it for the AirPods Generation 3. I just wanted to take a little bit of time to compare the differences. This is the new 3rd generation AirPods, and this is my previous version, the 2nd generation. So I guess the main difference, as you can see, is the size. The old 2nd generation were much longer, much smaller actually overall in terms of the piece that fits in your ear. So this actually fit okay for me. I feel like this one was more comfortable, but it could have just been related to just my getting used to these versus these. The sound quality is definitely better in these, and that's one of the features that this provides in addition to the size difference. Also the charging capability. This generation 3 is actually 1 hour. You get 1 hour more charge time. So I believe it's 6 hours versus 5 hours. I've had these for 5 years, so they actually don't charge very well anymore. And one of them just stopped working. So I guess that's pretty good, having these 5 years and using them just about every day. That's a pretty good reliability. So I'm pretty happy with the value I got out of the 2nd generation, but it was time to move to the newest one, and these were on sale. I think they were $139.99 at Best Buy, on sale from $169. So I thought, yeah, I guess it's a good time for me to buy them anyhow, and I needed them. So like I said, I pretty much use them every day. Just when I'm working around the house and stuff, I just put them on, listen to YouTube and things like that. So but yeah, definitely other part is that getting used to the smaller stems is a bit tricky, just in terms of handling. I find that they're a little bit more difficult to handle, but yeah, overall I'm just really pleased with the new ones. Obviously it was super easy to connect these. Just found the new device when I opened up the case. I'm not even sure if I opened up the case, I think it did. And just connect them super easy to my iPhone. And yeah, so far so good. They actually were in charge very well when I got them. I think they probably had about 50% or less. So used them for a little while, and then it got down to 18%, and I charged them, and now they really seem to be working well. But yeah, that's the main difference. The case is a little bit different. This one's obviously longer because it's a longer stem. It's a little bit wider. The new one's a little bit wider. There's the old one. So But yeah, and they both have the lightning ports here to charge, so that's nice. Yeah, that was one of the biggest differences too, is this one actually came with a charging cable, and the new 3rd generation does not come with a charging cable. I'm not super happy about that, but it is what it is. I guess I have enough charging cables overall, so didn't really impact me in any significant way, but I would have definitely preferred to have a charging cable. Yeah, and the other kind of oddity, I guess, is these don't look like they fit into the hole. Like, it's, you just have to remember left, 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 right, right, but you can see it doesn't even, yeah, I guess it does fit better than it looks like it's going to when you put these in the case. The other ones seem to fit like snug in the case. Oh yeah, one last thing is these are officially water resistant, where these were not. I didn't realize that, but I never really got them in water per se, maybe just in rain and things like that, but nothing major. But so yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the comparison of the 2nd generation AirPods to the current generation. Again, pretty happy with Apple products overall, and I think these will definitely stand the test of time. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.